JCN Trading, guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, if you made it this far, if you're a subscriber to my channel, I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Make sure you hit that like button. So, quick channel update, quick account update. So, basically, Telegram group is going to be coming by the end of September. I have a small group meeting for Telegram coming up next week, either Monday or Tuesday. But after Monday or Tuesday, I will be dropping another video, and the Telegram group will be live, officially live. Now, with that being said, if you guys want to reach out to me, talk to me about the strategy, um, anything about my trading methods, Telegram is going to be the way. So if you're not a part of that group, I will not be discussing anything like that. I don't even think I will be replying to any more comments, things of that nature. So if you're going to want to get up with me, Telegram is going to be the place to be. Um, so with that being said, I'm going to be dropping a course as well. So if you guys want to be able to dive in deep with my strategy, see exactly what I'm doing, everything is going to be in Telegram as well. So if you're a Telegram member, you're going to have access to all of that. Okay. So basically, and the Telegram group is JCN Trading Group, but the group you guys are going to be joining is actually called the Cake Method because that's the name of my method. I'm calling it the Cake Method because it got the sauce and all the ingredients that you actually need to win. All right. So basically, the Cake Method consists of, um, in totality, of about 5, 6 indicators. And basically, it's exactly what I'm doing now. I'm using the right hand side of the graph to identify my trend, and then I'm looking for the perfect entry setup here on my left hand side. So now, if you see my demo account and you're wondering why it's 145, excuse me. Long story short, what I do is I start off my demo account with $100, and from that $100, I grow it to either $1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 3,000, $5,000. But then once I get around $5,000, $10,000, I blow the account purposely. I do, if it's $1,000 in my account, I do one dumb $1,000 trade where I lose the account and I start all over again from $100. And I repeatedly do that. So when it's time for me to upload money into my real account, I start with a small amount and I grow it. So I'm so used to seeing that small amount grow into a large amount. So psychologically, I'm getting my mind used to seeing that. Instead of starting off with a large amount of money, like throwing in $10,000 into my live account, and then watching myself lose that $10,000, it's going to hurt. It's not going to feel the same. Although you're not supposed to have any emotional connection with this money, it's all a psychological game. So instead of doing that, I practice with demo, put $100 in, grow the account to 1,000, $10,000, whatever it be, and I start all over again. All right. And that's pretty much what I do. All right. So that's why you see the demo account at 145. I will take this demo account all the way up to 1,000, $10,000, whichever I feel comfortable with until I want to start over again using the same strategy. Okay. So now we're about to jump in and dive in and do some trades, looking for the perfect entry setup. And yeah. So guys, bear with me. I'm looking for the perfect setup. So basically, I'm looking for a sweet trend on my right hand side. Uh, I'm gonna be diving more into exactly what I'm looking for in the Telegram group and in the course. This is just a preview of what I'm doing. So basically, I got $45 in the account. Let's see if we can get this thing to around a little bit over $200, and then I will end the video. Um, let's see. Okay. Uh, let's see here. Let's see. Now we just gotta wait for the perfect entry because I'm looking for a sell here. I'm looking to enter the market for a sale. So let's see if I enter at the correct moment. Um, I entered two trades for $45, trying to get the account over. Okay. Well, I lost that. Don't know how, but now I'm at $55. So we're gonna stay on the same pair. and we're going to try to get this back to $200. First, we're going to try to get this trade back off this pair. And see what happens here.
Just give me my money. Yeah!
All right, so we're back at $100, and now we're going to switch back up. With this next trade. All right. So, guys, there you go. 194. I said $200. So let's drop this to what? Let's say $10. Let's do a $10 trade on our next trade. And it looks like I got another opportunity possibly coming up. Maybe not. Or actually I do. Actually I do. Looks like I got an opportunity for a sale coming up. If I just be patient and wait for my nice sniper entry moment. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and switch pairs. Okay? I don't like what that pair was doing. And give me one moment. One moment. And guys, once again, if you're not paying close attention and you can't see what I'm doing and you have questions, Telegram group is going to be open in a week. And that's where all your questions will be answered. I'm giving away free sauce in this video. All you have to do is pay attention. Basically, all you have to do is pay attention. All right, this should be a good setup for to get this account over $200. Any moment now. Any moment now. Any moment now. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. That was close, and I lost that one. But we're gonna come right back in, right here, and we're gonna get that back, get the account over $200, and we're gonna close the video there. And $200, $201, guys. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the video. You guys see me lose a couple of trades in this video using this method. It's a 10-second. I'm trading on 10 seconds today. I can trade on 5 seconds. I can trade on 15 seconds. I can trade on 30 seconds. I can trade on a minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, whichever the case may be, using this strategy. As you guys can see, it's not 100%, and no strategy is 100%. But look at you can, if you lock in, you can really go on to, look at all these wins in a row here. Lost a couple right there, won a couple, So guys, it's all about your focus. It's all about your consistency. It's all about your analytics, how you read a graph. Jungle Child Ned, I'm out. Peace.